I just got this thermal printer from Munbyn, and today we're going to open this up, set it up, and print some labels. This one is model 403B, and inside we've got some manuals, including a setup guide. And at first glance, it looks pretty comprehensive, and apparently they have a video tutorial for every single type of system setup, including support for Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android. But since I have a Windows desktop, that's what we're going to do today, and I'll also set it up for Bluetooth because the less wires I can get away with, the better. Inside the box, we've got some accessories, which will open shortly. But first, I want to take a quick look at what the printer looks like. Wow, this printer is pretty cool. It's not too heavy and I can hold it with one hand, but at the same time, I can feel that it is very solid. At the back, we have a power button on the left, and on the right, we have a USB-C port if you want to hook it up for wired printing instead. And here's where you would plug in the power adapter. So now I'm just going to go and open up this printer so we can remove the test label they slipped inside. There's a button on the right hand side that will allow you to lift the top open. And now let's see what kind of accessories is included in this box. So we've got the power adapter, and I like that the fact that the cord is pretty long, so I may not even need an extension cord. And I'm just going to go ahead and plug this in right now. And the other cable is a USB-C to USB-C cable in case you want to connect the printer to your mobile or computer. So I put together their label holder earlier, and now I'm going to place my printer on top, and you can see it fits perfectly. Now I'll just reach over to the back so we can power this printer up. Immediately, a green light displays on the front of the printer. So now we're going to go to my Windows machine, and I'm just checking to make sure I've got my Bluetooth setting enabled. And here it is. Next, the instructions say to go to their website, munbyn.biz, to download your software. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll click on the download button, and then it asks you to confirm if you want to connect to the printer via USB or via Bluetooth. So we'll pick Bluetooth, and then I'll click on next. Once you confirm everything, it immediately starts downloading and installing the software. During the setup, it will search for the printer, and when it finds it, just click next. Yes, I want to install the software, so I'll click the install button and we're done. I'll click finish and immediately you get forwarded to their support pages. I'm actually really impressed with how easy the setup was, but even if you run into problems, looks like they have a lot of resource on their website to help you troubleshoot, so that's really good to see. Now, to test out the printer, we're going to want to print a label, and for that, you can use their free software from their website at editor.munbyn.com. I'll click on the Get Started for Free button, and then I can choose Create Label, and then you can tell what type of label, what size, what color, and what shape. In the template menu, they have loads of templates you can use so you don't have to design anything from scratch. Look at all the different designs you get for all different occasions. You can choose to create a tag, and here you can select the size, color, and the shape you want for your tag. If you want to add some words or phrases, there's a whole list of fonts you can choose from, lots of different font styles. And if you're not happy with any of their designs and you have your own, you can also upload an image of it here. You can also create barcodes and QR codes. There's also an option to configure a time and date display, more designs and illustrations. And while we're here, I think I'll pick one to test one out. Since Easter is around the corner, let's choose this Happy Easter design. And check that out. You can resize the design and make it bigger or smaller. You can also realign the design by shifting it to the left, right, up or down, or back to the center. And I can add some shapes to my label as well if I want. And oddly enough, you can even add a table by telling it how many rows and columns you want in your table. Anyhow, I'm ready to print my first label, so I'll just click on the printer icon on the top right corner. Select the RW403B printer and click on Pair to connect the software to my printer. On the next screen, I'll just double check the printer settings and then I'll click Bluetooth printing. So immediately the printer printed my label. There was no delay whatsoever, and Here's my label. The ink on this label is very clear, the edges are sharp, solid, and there's no fading and no bleeding. This looks really good quality, and the adhesion on this label is very strong, as you can see.